All right, I just set air pressure to 18. Shocks went pretty much full tight. I think we backed off the rebound just a little bit on the rear. I don't know what Brando's doing, but getting the cars ready. He's getting ready to make a run. Pass number 1. Here we go.
Audio Jungle.
Sitting in the staging lanes, this is what it's like. Sometimes boring as can be, waiting your turn to get up to the line. Take that for a shakedown. How was that? We'll go over it when you get back, I guess. Right. You got that red car behind you.
Yeah, not as happy with it as I wanted, but
first pass. I mean, for a first pass on any sort of boost. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see that.
She needs a little work, but
that's it.
1080. Yeah.
She vibrated. I need those rears balanced, dude. It vibrated so freaking bad.
Really?
Oh, those tires. Yeah. No, it did. I mean, it felt okay.
153, 680.
How'd that run go?
Well, that stunk.
Well, I know how it went.
I didn't do a good burnout.
Well, you need a little bit more heat in the tires for sure. I don't know if that was the only issue.
I was nervous of my bump, which is why I did what I did staging, trying not to burn her down or bump through the beams or whatever. So I'm happy with my bump. I dumbed it down just a little bit more. I'm happy with the trans. It shifted, the trans and converter did everything it was supposed to do. I didn't do what I needed to do in the burnout, that's for sure. So I'll probably loosen my limiters one hole and loosen the rebound a little more, a couple clicks. And I turned down my launch RPM 100. So instead of 42, I'll go 41.
Should stick that though, I think, if you got a good enough burnout.
Yeah. Issue we were having in your car.
Yeah, I wasn't real happy with my oil pressure the way it looked. So I did a bunch of research and looked around and checked my oil and checked it for foaming and cavitation and checked it on the hit. It like flatline 52 PSI, and I should have had I should have had 80 PSI. I short shifted a little bit at 6,600, but my oil pressure should have been at least 70 PSI, and it was flatline 52. So I did find where we had cut into the harness last year, and there was two little ends. One of them was a like a 12-volt sensor wire that was just out bare, not bare, but it was just cut and not capped. So I dug those out of the harness, I capped them, and now I'm sitting here at idle, and I rev it up, and I see 60 plus PSI just sitting here revving up at 3 grand. So I don't know if it was just some kind of interference in the Holly, or if I got something else going on, but I'm thinking about making a second pass, because I was going to put it in a box and call it a day, or a weekend actually, because I don't want to hurt anything. Into the wall. You all right?
Oh, I'm good. I just want to make sure she was good. I definitely did not want to hit her, so.
Okay. You missed her though?
I missed her, yeah. I missed her.
I saw her go over, and then I saw white smoke behind your car, and I'm like,
yeah,
oh
I just
shoot.
didn't want to hit her, so I didn't touch the wall or nothing.
Okay.
I just didn't want to hit her because I knew she was coming right.
Across, and then you disappeared in the smoke.
Yeah, I was locking them up. I should have pulled the chute. I didn't think about it in my mind, but I had control. And
You had to avoid her though?
I would think. I think I probably have it on camera, which is scary, but. Whew.
Well, good driving.
Thanks. I didn't think I locked it up. I had to set to lock up. You have to hit a car.
Buddy Nick was in the left lane. I don't know her name. In the right lane. Team Strange, like Pro Charge car. It was like dark red in the right
Mustang.
lane. Yeah, another Fox. Made a clean, fast pass, but was ahead of our buddy Nick in the black car. And we don't know if she lost the tire and just at the top end or let off.
Put some water down or something.
Or drip something, but crossed in front of our buddy Nick on the brakes, ended up hitting the wall, and then he locked up his brakes to avoid her and went around into the right lane. Ended up sideways down there, so she's okay. She's out of the car, just shaken up. Don't know what happened, But,
I was in the lanes and just heard a crash, that's all.
yeah. All that to say, it's time to find some food. I'm hungry.
Made some long adjustments there, huh?
Wow. I think he brought it down about as easy as he could.
Okay, we were not expecting that. We changed the bar angle like a little bit.
Okay.
Like barely.
Oh. Hopefully the car's okay, man. Yeah. You got crash bars on it?
Yeah.
Okay, good deal. I just put some on mine a couple weeks ago, just in case. Well, we got another delay. You ready? You ready to go home yet? Can we eat yet?
I'm taking a
We still haven't eaten. It's been like an hour and a half.
What time is it?
I'm so hungry. Well, it was 9. I bet it's close to 10 now.
And we haven't had supper
And we
yet.
still haven't eaten. And
I'm skipping
I
supper
might
then.
not get a second pass.
No, they closed the lanes.
At what, 10:30?
No, they already announced
They
it.
did?
Yeah.
You're lying. It's 9:30.
No, they announced it.
Update, hour and 15 minutes later, and I still do not have food. Dad
and my car hasn't moved.
And Dad's car has not moved. On the bright side, mine's in the staging lanes now, but we're still waiting. But they're running cars now, so maybe soon.
I don't like being
I was floating the tire for a very long time.
I would guess 517.
540. What? No, 547 at 128. The 125 60 foot.
Ah, you got your 60 foot back down though. We're get.
I 121.
Oh, I know. I'm not. You didn't PB, but you're getting back down there.
I mean, it felt faster than that.
That's surprising. I really thought it was 5'2". I bet when Matt recorded, I bet you floated him 100 foot, just skipping him right off the ground.
Well, that's pretty sick.
Yeah.
That's what you did your last PB.
Yeah.
Yeah, last year. Same thing.
Okay.
What was your launch boost?
It was supposed to be 12
12?
at 4,100, which I turned down from 4,200 earlier today. How was yours? Your 60 foot looked great.
147 60 foot,
Okay.
678.
1 mile an hour.
I don't know. It was awful.
What are you doing? You're doing something wrong.
Huh?
Doing something wrong.
That was my last pass that I went down.
I can't see it.
A tenth and a half better than that. I turned mine way
100 and something. I don't know. 100 mile an hour.
We have these same exact 330.
That's hilarious.
Do you really?
Yeah. He's a 356, I was 354.
Only 100?
Yeah. It felt good.
Only 100?
I expected a low 6. I wanted to see a 590 tonight, but it didn't happen.
100.
So
I mean, 100 mile an hour in the 8th.
ain't squat.
That ain't a lot.
No, I know. I don't know what's going on with my car. So, but
Make sure,
I want to log.
check your timing and stuff.
Yep, we gotta go over it. Hey, that's the second pass ever on this build.
Yeah.
On the track.
No, you're
So
doing good.
ever.
I finally got my 160.
So
I
we'll
went
get there.
159 last year.
Did you roll it out?
Huh?
You rolled it out?
Yeah.
No, I didn't even look at that.
I sent it. It felt good.
Yeah, okay.
I thought it was going to be better than that, though.
Oh, yeah.
160. What'd you end up with?
853.
840? 850?
Yeah, and I've 840.
Yeah.
Already.
Well, I don't know. It's a hard game.
Oh, you
this
know
is
what?
like golf.
You know what?
When you start thinking you got it mastered.
I didn't put 34 pounds in it. I think I only put like 30.
Oh,
32.
so you're shy on
So
boost.
I'm
Well,
shy on boost compared to what I was running
last year. So had you put a little bit more boost in it,
And I might need to rev this cam a little more.
well, Nick, we're glad your car's in one piece, buddy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We really are.
It's okay.